How to find motivated seller leads with a full-time job. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I really want to talk with you on actually how to find motivated seller leads on a full-time job, because it doesn't boil down to a lot of things, and you really got to work smart when you have a full-time job and you're trying to get into wholesaling real estate, because let's be honest, you don't have 8-9 hours a day to be cold calling, maybe on the weekends, but during Monday through Friday, it's very hard to pull motivated seller leads. And in this video, I talk with someone with a full-time job, and I give you my honest advice and feedback on what they should be doing. So before we get into it, guys, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get into it. Bill.
Yo, what's up, man? How you doing, Zach?
I'm amazing, man. How are you doing?
I'm doing killer, man. Just been cold calling, knocking off phones, and getting some good leads from that. So
Cool.
I actually got a deal locked up with my my wife's stepdad. So pretty close by in a town near here. So it should be closing the end of this month. So that should be pretty good there. So just kind of telling a little bit about wins, but yeah, it's been going pretty good, and just getting some leads in, and because I'm just kind of like learning like just some advice. We're going to the holidays to my work right now, and the hours I'm going to be working till probably 6 p.m. So it's gonna be kind of hard cold calling after 6. So I'll probably be getting home 6:30. So I only have an hour of cold calling. Ideally, I don't like cold calling after 8. Just like most people, they just it's kind of you're not going to get very many people answering. And first off, and also you'd be like, why are you calling me this late? I'm off on Mondays, so I can call a good bit on Mondays, but it's kind of one of those things. It's I call on Monday and I set an appointment, and I'm going out to people's homes and going in the wintertime and going to people's homes after 6:30 on an appointment. And it's dark. And also most of the houses I'm trying to target are vacant. So it's one of those things that's kind of, going to vacant homes after dark is kind of hard.
Cold calling gets a little tougher.
Yep.
After 8, that's why I say 2 to 7 is kind of my time.
Yeah. So my biggest thing, I was kind of curious. There's actually a really good wholesaler. He's very much a go giver in the area. He flips a lot of houses. He's been in real estate for 26 years, but he actually, I've been talking with him. He's possibly offering me acquisition manager position. I was kind of curious if you think that'd be pretty advisable to maybe go over and get some, working him for a few years or something like that.
I'll be honest with you. I'd rather you do it by yourself than that. That's kind of where I'd be. Yeah. So, honestly, I probably wouldn't do that. I just think you're gonna get in trouble with it. So I probably would not. I probably wouldn't.
Yeah.
I would do it by yourself. I just think there's so much more you can learn.
For sure.
With that than not. So
I get some good traction. I mean, I would get some good leads. A lot of them are kind of they're kind of long-term leads. I actually might be locking up one at the end of this month. She's going through a divorce, but it's kind of starting to get to final continuance of it. So hopefully be able to lock that up by the end of this month. That should be a pretty good deal, I'm feeling because the house has been vacant for 3 years and she didn't balk at the number I offered her. So, because I've been kind of talking, I'm we could sign to do a contract, before even you get full title of the house, because, I've been talking to my attorney and she's, open to that. So it's just just in the terms, be this is dependent on, you getting title of the house, essentially. So I was thinking that's a pretty good deal. And then also there's some other ones I've been kind of working up and, getting some leads, but it's gonna be tough, getting some good traction cold calling. And then it's I can send direct mail. I went through your ROS course. I saw a couple of your videos before, but it's solid course, by the way. Good stuff. The fact that you're giving that stuff out for free is, everybody on here, y'all need to get that stuff. It's great. It's some good stuff.
Mailingmaster.com, but
yeah. So I actually might put a good bit of my from the deal I'm getting at the end of this month. I might dump a lot of that into ROS Postcard, because at least that I can just get calls and I can kind of fill them at work and be like, hey, I'll get some more info after work, you know. So just depends. But also I'm thinking about possibly either hiring a VA or have my mom answer the phones. So that's another thing to consider too. So
that would be definitely something I would definitely tell you. I would want someone answering the phone call live.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you're in Asheville, right?
Yeah.
For Asheville, I would just make sure, honestly, that direct mail is working in that market. Some markets, most markets, direct mail does work.
Oh, it definitely works. I mean, I've tested some. I've done some like handwritten ones, and I've gotten some good response rates. I've gotten like, I think one of my campaigns it was like 300 letters, but I got like just from a driving for dollars leads, it got like I got about 6% response rate. So, which wasn't
pretty
bad.
good. Yeah, I'd test it out and try to see.
Yeah.
I would have at least maybe your wife or just somebody who can speak English.
Yeah,
answer it, and it would just bring that connection, because that first impression is everything.
For sure.
With the direct mail, so that's definitely something I'd get going on it.
Cool, awesome. I was just curious, but good stuff on here. I just want to say, like everything, all the value you bring to everybody here is it's amazing. The fact that you're doing all this for free. So
I appreciate it, man. And you're helping the people out. You got a microphone, and you got a parrot, or
oh yeah, it's a green cheek conure.
I don't know what that is, but it's cute. I love it. What's the bird guy name?
Her name's Missy.
Missy, I love it. And then you even have the XLR cables. You're serious.
Oh yeah, I used to stream a good bit, so yeah. So
awesome, man.
Yeah.
Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you out. I appreciate it. Mail would be something I would consider, but just make sure it's something you can afford to lose, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
no, for sure. If the direct mail doesn't work, it's something you can stomach. If not, I would try SMS or something that's a little cheaper and the ROI might be better, but it's more time intensive.
Yeah.
It's just how much time you want to put in versus how much money. It's really that simple.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Cool deal.
Well, I appreciate it. Let me know anything I can do to help you out. But Asheville's a great market. If anyone's got a deal in Asheville, do you want them hitting you up?
Oh yeah, definitely, for sure. Just hit me up. I think I'm Phil Corley on Instagram, so y'all could hit me up on there.
How do you spell that?
Phil Corley Corley.
All right, sweet, man. Appreciate it, dude. Keep it up.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, man.
Thanks. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.